How to turn off location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find pin icon. Click on the pin icon at the bottom left. Then you'll find map pop up. Click on the settings at the top right corner of your screen, which will open this page. In here, click on the ghost mode and turn on ghost mode. You'll find these options. Click on until turned off. After you do that, people won't be able to see you on the map. Another thing what you can do is go back from the Snapchat app. Go to the home screen and hold on to the Snapchat app. In here, you'll find app info. Click on app info in here. Then click on permissions in here. After you've clicked on permissions, click on location. After that, make sure it's don't allow, which will turn off your location permission on Snapchat, and you're good to go. This is how to turn off location on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.